It just works until it doesn't, which is why you're here. If the AirPods Pro 3 have issues, from the fit issues that affect many people to simply not being able to connect, this is the SoundGuys troubleshooting guide for the AirPods Pro 3. The first step to fix anything, including the AirPods Pro 3, is to do a factory reset. It's the easiest quick option for troubleshooting. To factory reset the earbuds, with the AirPods inside of the case, keep the AirPods Pro 3 closed for at least 30 seconds. You can open then close the case to make sure. When it opened, double tap the front of the case right beneath the status light. When the status light flashes white, double tap the front of the case again. And then when the status light flashes at a faster pace, double tap the front of the case again. The status light will then flash amber. The AirPods Pro 3 are now reset and have moved back to pairing mode. Normally, when opening the case next to an iPhone, it will automatically be detected. If it doesn't show up, you'll have to move into manual pairing mode. You can also use the manual pairing mode to pair the AirPods 3 to an Android phone. With the AirPods inside of the case, close and then open the lid. Double tap the front of the case. The status light will then flash white. Keep the AirPods Pro 3 open next to the device you want to pair them to. The AirPods Pro 3 are now in pairing mode and should show up on the list of available Bluetooth devices. If the earbuds themselves aren't connecting, make sure that the case and earbuds have a charge. Opening or closing the case will have the status light flash green if it has a charge. If the earbuds themselves don't seem to charge, take the AirPods out of the charging case and check the charging pads on the earbuds. These will be the two small metal bits on the bottom of the earbuds. Remove any dirt or debris from the charging pads. Check the inside of the case to make sure that there are no obstructions between the earbuds and the charging pad. If you still have any issues charging, you may need to check if your charging cable is still functional. If you want to make sure that the AirPods Pro 3 lasts a long time, you can adjust the battery settings to do just that. Connect the AirPods Pro 3 to your iPhone, open the Settings app, select the AirPods Pro 3, scroll down and select Battery Settings. You can then enable Optimized Charge Limit. The optimized charge limit will stop charging the AirPods based on your usage. It will still fully charge the AirPods Pro 3 when it expects a full day of use. If you're having issues with how the AirPods Pro 3 fit, chances are you will need to find the correct tip. To change and clean the ear tips of the AirPods Pro 3, flip over the ear tip, grip the base, and pull firmly. The base of the ear tip has a solid ring that fits over the nozzle to grip onto. Do not pull the rubbery flange section, as this can cause it to tear away from the base. If you wash the ear tips, make sure that the ear tip is dry before reinserting it. Before reinserting it, choose a better sized ear tip and press it onto the earbud nozzle. There is no specific orientation, so no worries there. Keep in mind that the left and right AirPods can have different size ear tips depending on your ears. To test out the fit, go into System Settings and scroll down to Fit and Comfort. Select the Test Acoustic Seal to check the seal on the AirPods Pro 3. Still, if the AirPods Pro 3 doesn't sound as good as you want it to, you can adjust how they sound. There isn't a way to adjust the Apple AirPods Pro 3 themselves, but you can use the equalizer of music streaming services such as Apple Music and Spotify. However, if you do want to adjust how the Apple AirPods Pro 3 sound, you can use the few presets available through the iPhone. To select the presets, you can connect the AirPods Pro 3 to your iPhone, open the Settings app, select the AirPods Pro 3, scroll down and select Accessibility. Scroll down and select iPhone Audio and Visual Settings. Select Audio Accommodations, and then select your preferred audio tuning in the Tune Audio 4 section. There are only 2 options available with 3 levels of strength, and it doesn't do a lot, but it does help a little bit. However, if you're going through Apple Music, you can connect the AirPods Pro 3 and then go into the Settings app. This time, scroll down and select Apps. Select Music. The audio section will have the option for EQ. Sadly, it's not a customizable EQ curve, but they have a lot of presets available. To connect the AirPods through Spotify, open Spotify, select your account. Located at the top left-hand corner of the screen, select Settings and Privacy. Select Playback, and then scroll down to Equalizer. This is where you can tune the AirPods Pro 3. Remember that whenever you change the EQ through an application, it only affects how the AirPods Pro 3 sound through that application, including Apple Music. Any changes do not affect the overall sound of the AirPods Pro 3 themselves. If you're having issues with getting accidental controls with the AirPods Pro 3, you can disable the touch controls in System Settings. To adjust the controls of the AirPods Pro 3 to be less sensitive, you can change them in the system settings. When you connect the AirPods Pro 3 to your iPhone, open the Settings app, select the AirPods Pro 3, scroll down, and then select Accessibility settings. You can then change press speed and press hold duration to your preferences. This should allow you to adjust it enough to make sure there are no unintentional actions when controlling the AirPods Pro 3. You can also change what the shortcut control does on the AirPods Pro 3. You are only able to change the call controls on the Apple AirPods Pro 3 though. If you don't know, there is something called conversation awareness on the Apple AirPods Pro 3, and you can enable that in the settings. With your AirPods Pro 3 connected to your iPhone, open the Settings app, select the AirPods Pro 3, scroll down to Audio, and then enable Conversation Awareness. You can also adjust how much Conversation Awareness pushes through the outside sound back into your ears. Normally, you can toggle ANC on the Apple AirPods Pro 3 by pressing and holding the stem of one of the AirPods. But if that doesn't work, you can use your iPhone instead. With your AirPods Pro 3 connected to your iPhone, open the Settings app, select the AirPods Pro 3. The ANC modes are one of the first options available without scrolling. You can there select your preferred mode. If you are unable to change the ANC mode through the stem controls on the AirPods Pro 3, you may need to have it repaired and go to the Genius Bar, as this is not normal behavior. Assuming nothing works and you still have issues with the Apple AirPods Pro 3, you may want to check with your local Genius Bar or initiate a return online. If you're going through a return, chances are you're going to need the serial number. You can access the serial number through the System app if you can still connect to it. With the AirPods Pro 3 connected to your iPhone, open the Settings app, select the AirPods Pro 3, scroll down to the bottom of the AirPods Pro 3 settings, and the serial number is listed in the About section. If you're unable to connect to the app, the case also has a serial number on the inside lip of the case, on the left side. If we help you out, subscribe to the channel for news and reviews of the latest in audio tech. Happy listening!